Murdo. I'm a stormwater inspector in the Stormwater Inspection and Maintenance Department, otherwise known as SWIM. I'm out here as the lead inspector at our green infrastructure sites. Green infrastructure incorporates plants, soils, and things like permeable pavement, which allow water to infiltrate into the ground, reducing pollutants that go out to our lake. When we allow stormwater to enter our green infrastructure sites, it's taking that water that would be running off from the road into our storm sewers and overwhelming our combined sewer systems, and lets that water infiltrate into the ground versus going into the system. The water comes in from the storm sewers and it passes through here first, and there's a basket that catches trash and floatables, and then the water passes through a pipe that leads to the green infrastructure. The water then comes through and out through this opening in the retaining wall, and the water's energy is dissipated along this concrete channel through a series of boulders, so the water slows down, and then it enters into this upper basin where there are notches in the concrete, allowing the water to enter the site and infiltrate down into the ground.
Day-to-day take care of this facility here. One of the things we do, we keep up the aesthetics, we clean some of the mulch beds, make sure the weeds are out, make sure everything's functional when it comes to the water infiltration into the ground.
And I'm a Stormwater Inspection and Maintenance Paraprofessional Intern here at the Northeast Ohio Regional Sewer District. We're at UCI Marriott, which is one of our green infrastructure sites that utilizes permeable pavers in order to help decrease the amount of pollutants and the quantity of water that enters into our stormwater system. The way these permeable pavers work is that they allow stormwater that's collected from these rooftops to come down and infiltrate into these underground tanks that slowly leach the water back into the system, instead of just one big influx of water that rushes right into our sewers, causing any sort of problems, overflows, or issues like that. It comes in here, permeates through these pavers, and slowly enters back into the system.